Guys, just wanted to go through this just real quick. So 1UZ, so you're talking 5 volt system airflow meters is basically a common vortex airflow system, complex system. It's got a laser inside that what it does is it's got a reflective foil. So the laser shines onto the foil and it shines off that onto a pickup sensor, and it gives a vibration. Okay, and that variable vibration speed is going to let the computer basically know what you know what, how much air is actually going into the motor. These were obviously changed with a resistor system. Okay, but anyway, on these you have a if you look at the construction of this, you basically got a plate at the bottom. So you got your sensor probe, you've got a plate over there, and then inside, underneath that plate, you'll see there's like a little screw. That's factory set, so it shows how sensitive these things are. You can see there's where they actually put in the adjuster. It's non-settable, for people. It's only factory. Okay. So these are all calibrated. The problem that I see a lot of guys do, this is the side that they put their air filter on, and what they do is they basically put a plate on there and they put a round tube. And the problem with that is that you're cutting off all of these corners, from the square. Okay, so you're basically going straight squared around. You've got no transition. Okay. This honeycomb that they got in there is a diffuser. Okay, so it ensures that the airflow going into this tube is of even CFM. Okay, putting a plate on is cutting off. It's cutting off all your edges. Okay, and therefore giving the airflow meter incorrect readings. So yeah, it's as simple as that. I mean, we produce these, so it's basically an adapter. So it's a transition plate, okay, where it goes from square to round. We've tried to make it as narrow as possible. I think that's 19 millimeters, okay, and that'll bolt straight on there. You can sandwich the original gasket in there if you do have it. If you don't, then just put a vermoid gasket or whatever you want in there. The diameter because a lot of you guys are using cone filters. So this diameter is, we can obviously change that according to your specifications. If you just let us know what your ID is of your cone filter, we'll adapt that, so long as we can still create that transformation within that 19 millimeters. So 19 millimeters, basically 3/4 of an inch. Okay, these we produce in multiples of colors. We actually produce these for all of the motors, so we do. This is specific for non-VVT 1UZs. You could probably put it also on a the first JZs as well. I mean, they also use the same construction airflow meter. It was a bit narrower in the center, but the same construction. But yeah, we produce them for. So yeah, the 1UZ VVTI from. So this is the side, obviously, that goes onto the air tube, onto the motor, and then we do a square flange. That's for somebody that wants to build an actual air box with the filter in there, with a flat filter, okay, rather than a tube. We produce all of these for cone filters and for square. Obviously, square does not apply for the non-VVT because you can bolt that straight onto your air box, or you can go cone filter. Okay, but like I say, we can adjust that diameter to whatever your requirements are. Let us know if you're interested. If you want us to supply you, we can. Just like I say, it's send us an inquiry. We'll send you the actual inside ID of what we have, and if that does not match what you require, then we'll obviously draw that out for you, and we'll produce one especially for you. So basically custom made. Let us know what you think.